Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all having a great day, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your account's password for the US bank. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop, then enter the URL usbank.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to their website and click on the login button at the top right of the page. So after that, we'll have to click on forget password since we are resetting the account's password. So then in order to confirm the identity, you'll then have to enter your personal ID and the 4 digits of your SSN. So enter that. Once you fill in all your information in this page, scroll down and click on continue. And then you'll be headed to the verification page and your account password will be resetted. So there you have it. That's how you reset your password for the US bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.